What's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing Technology. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing an upgrade to the Tevo Tornado 3 printer. So this isn't an essential upgrade to improve the quality of the 3D print. This is more of a ease or tap upgrade, I guess. So here's the Tevo Tornado 3 printing. You can see the spool holder is facing the front, but the exterior feed is perpendicular to the spool holder. And for this upgrade, I'm going to rotate the spool holder 90 degrees and try to keep it on the top of the Z-axis frame, hanging over maybe. That way it feeds straight into the extruder instead of having to turn the filament. So it's not an essential upgrade to improve the performance, but just make it a cleaner setup for this 3D printer. So here's the old spool holder that's facing this way, and we got this, and you can see the filament coming down off the side right here, rubbing against the metal plate, and then going all the way down to the metal extruder. Also, you can see where the spool has been on the spool holder, with its black marks, and this is a PLA print. Comparing this to the Prusa, the spool holder comes off the top straight into the extruder, and it's not rotating any. The STL files, and if you want to buy this upgrade, it will be available soon. I'll have a link in the description down below. It will be on our websites sometime in the near future. Also, when you 3D print with this setup and you have and it has a longer Z-axis, it sometimes rubs against the extrusions, and that's not the greatest setup because it could get tangled like this. So here we have the new spool holder. As you can see, it's facing the opposite way. So after snapping it in place, just pushing this side up when it's in place, and the filament is going the correct orientation to the extruder motor. That the design doesn't sit flush to the frame, but it still works. The frame plate's kind of in the way. I think if you had compensated for that and just put a rectangular extruded piece right here, it would fix it. But this is what it looks like. Let's head down to the frame at this part and position with this piece right here. And then there is the spool. So I think this design will work much better than the previous one. So that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. This isn't an essential upgrade for the Tevo Tornado 3 printer. It's more of a aesthetic type upgrade. This makes the setup better for the printer. Doesn't improve any of the print quality though. It just rotates the spool holder from perpendicular to the extruder motor to parallel with it, so the filament runs easier into it. So if you'd like to see today's videos first, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.